ever heard about fluid colors? Recently, Camel released their fluid art colors and I thought, why shouldn't I try them and show the artwork in front of you? Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dipakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories and sometimes cartoon. And in this brand new episode of art, I'm going to tell you how I made this pretty, if you could see, fluid art using Camel fluid colors. And I hope you will enjoy this process. I'm going to try this one soon at home. So without wasting much time, let's just go and watch this video. Hello everyone. So recently Camel ने अपने Acrylic fluid color इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं मार्केट में, जो कि मैंने भी ट्राई करने की सोची है कि how they look when we try them on canvas. So I ordered them from Amazon.in. I got it in around 2 days and per set cost me around $249. So for try, I just ordered one. If I like more, I'm going to make more orders of different form of shades and different kind of color combinations they have. So आज हम ये वाला Camel का Acrylic color fluid का पैकेट खोलते हैं and I'm going to try this in front of you and tell you how you can make this one. So let's start. So this is how their packet looks like. Camel Acrylic colors ready to pour, include canvas and apron. So this is the complete kit I ordered from Amazon, which I got around $249 rupees, including delivery charges. And let's see क्या है इस पूरे kit के अंदर. So I choose to order aqua blue colors. So this is their canvas, cute pretty little canvas. And so this is the apron. See, this is how it looks like. This is basically a plastic sheet. ये एप्रन इसलिए है क्योंकि अगर कलर एक बार आपके कपड़ों पे लग गया तो फिर आप उसे रिमूव नहीं कर सकते. एंड these are kind of permanent colors, and these are the 4 shades they provide in this packet. This one is Persian blue, if you could see. This one is Acrylic white. This one is fluid Acrylic, and this one is light blue. So these are the 4 colors that came in this pack. And now I'm going to make this fluid art for you. So let's just start it. So before starting this fluid art, I'm going to paste a plastic sheet above my work so that जो प्लास्टिक कलर है वो जब स्प्रेड होगा तो मेरी जो बैकग्राउंड है येलो कलर का उसको खराब नहीं करेगा. ठीक है. सो आप चाहें तो इसे स्टिक कर सकते हैं. मैं चूज करूंगी कि मैं इसे स्टिक कर दूं, बिकॉज अगर मेरा हाथ हिला तो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग चांसेस हैं कि ये खराब हो सकता है बैकग्राउंड जो है शीट का. जस्ट अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ टेप. Take it around. So my plastic sheet is ready, and now I'm going to take 2 glasses paper cups so that I can put it under the canvas like this. Okay, and I'm going to wear gloves because if I won't wear gloves, तो सारा का सारा कलर जो है वो मेरे हाथों में लग जाएगा. So to avoid that, I'm going to wear gloves. Here it is, and I'm going to tear this now. Time to make a color now. I'm going to take a glass. For a while I'm going to take this canvas away. Take these colors. This is completely optional कि आप पहले कौन सा कलर pour करते हैं फिर उसके बाद कौन सा करते हैं. This is completely your option. So I'm going to do a blind game. Always remember it should be like this. ग्लास के किनारे से आपको कलर स्प्रेड करना है. You can see. See, there are so many ways you can spread these colors. Put whatever color you want to out of them. And the best part about it is they won't get mixed that easily. Any color, any shade, anything you want. If you could see the form of color they are coming out of it. I have no idea what kind of design going to make out of it, but it will be completely a surprise to see कि exactly क्या बन के आता है इससे. और बेस्ट चीज़ ये है फ्लूइड कलर्स के बारे में कि हर बार कुछ नया बनेगा. It won't be same every time, and you can't make it same. That is something not in your hands. Okay, our color is ready. Now bring our canvas back. I'm going to keep this one aside and bring my canvas back on my glasses. So before pouring our color, I'm going to make a mouth of a glass so that color pour करने में easy हो. And now I'm going to pour it. See, कितना pretty view हो. Colors pour रहे हैं spread इसके ऊपर. Don't need to touch anything. If you think they are not enough, you can add more colors to it. Just need to let them spread wherever they want. wanted some more white different places, so I put some more white this time. See, this is what I told you. Color spread होगा, ये देखिए. But I'm liking it. You don't need to touch the canvas. Just let it go wherever it want to. It will take some time to go and flow and make some new design every time. As you can see. So this is how it will look after it will going to spread. I'm thinking to add some water droplets to it so that it can change its pattern. And now we're going to show it to you after it will get dry. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this Camel Acrylic fluid art. So I just hope you like this process of making camel fluid art colors. I'm going to try this one soon in your free time at your home. And if you do try the other color combinations. They are amazing. Like this one as well. This one was the aqua, and other two colors are also very pretty. So please do try that at your home and share your artwork with me. I would love to share them on my channel. So, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative updates. See you until next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.